Sabaydi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today I'm making Lao salad. Okay, we have all the ingredients here for salad. Lao salad it make a little bit different. Okay, we have a bunch of stuff, and let me introduce the ingredient to you first. Of course, we use this kind of lettuce, okay? But you can use any lettuce you want to, but this is perhaps my favorite one, okay? And then cucumber, spring onion, cilantro, lime, tomato, garlic, and I'm gonna use the beef because I like the beef flavor, okay? But you can also do chicken, pork, whatever you like. But mine gonna be beef. And egg, I have roast peanut, salt, chicken flavor, sugar, vegetable oil, white pepper, fish salt, and just water, okay? And this is the product that I use. All right, let's get started, huh? Let's cook. Okay, let's cook the egg. Plug it in. See, we cut all the lettuce and all the vegetable, and I already boiled my egg, slice my meat, everything already, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead, start making the salad dressing, okay? It's very easy and fast. This dish is very fast and healthy too, okay? Let's start. I think my pan is already hot. I'm gonna go ahead and use half of this vegetable oil. And I think I dropped the water in my oil a little bit, but no problem. Now I go ahead and use my garlic. Stir my garlic in. salt. And I use half of my chicken flavor. Save the other half. Okay, I take half of the meat away, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add more chicken flavor, sugar, more vegetable oil, just a little bit, white pepper, water, fish salt, let it shimmer a little bit, okay? Soon as shimmer, few seconds, I go ahead and turn off the heat. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove from the heat, okay? Let it cool down. This is the time I want to taste the dressing. See what this tastes like. Perfect. But after you mix together with all the lettuce, everything, then if you need to add something more, you can add them more, okay? Like sugar or more lime, whatever you like. But this is perfect for me right now, okay? Okay, that's the reason I asked to save vegetable oil. I mix a little bit of vegetable oil with the vegetable and then work it in, okay? Now, see, I saved the last of the meat. Then I go ahead and put my meat in there for protein. Very good. Put the peanut. And the dressing. Got everything right. Now we go ahead and mix. ปนเข้ากัน Just souder, like gentle mix, okay? Don't squeeze. This is บ่แม่นสมพักเนาะบ่แม่นสมพักเขาต้องคอยซาวให้keep the vegetable more fresh. See how good everything was? Oh, that aroma. Roast peanut, beef and egg and other cilantro onion. Oh, smells so good, guys. So good. And the color is amazing. Ma กินสลัดน้ำกัน Okay, come on guys, eat with me. But I know it's Lao salad. Even salad, we still eat with the rice. Okay, we don't use the bread. Back home we don't use the bread. You know that, right? So we use the rice. But I don't know why I use the chopstick. But I feel like I want to use chopstick today. กินง่ายจ้าเอ็ดกลิ่นมึงเด้อสลัดลาว very easy not hot healthy too have all different tastes in here, guys. Onion, cilantro, organic. You know, some people use vinegar. You can use vinegar too, but I want to go everything more natural. So I use lime, okay? You know, when you eat salad, you don't want to eat too much rice. You see how like just a little bit of rice, okay? Stop. That being sad with law. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, share with your friend, your family member, and I leave the recipe for you guys all the time when I cook it, I eat it, and then I share the recipe. Make sure you guys subscribe now, okay? Alright, see you next video. Bye bye. ลาก่อน